Hi teacher, what is the word you use when something goes wrong in your class? कौन से words आप use करते हैं जब बच्चे या students कुछ गलती करते हैं? So the top word is this is wrong, that's a mistake, it's incorrect. So these are the major things or major vocabulary which we use. Now I have a very strong word which you can use, and that word doesn't harm the confidence of the kid. जब हम कुछ गलती के बारे में बात करते हैं, जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है बच्चे का वो ऐसे जीरो हो जाता है, बहुत कम हो जाता है. So what we need to do is we need to use this amazing word which I'm going to give you today. That is a learning opportunity. So whenever your kid, student does anything wrong in the classroom, what you can term it as is, that's a learning opportunity. Let's try and work on this. So for example, if I have a student who is not able to stand upright and talk to kids, talk to, people looking in their eyes. So what I can do is I can say, hey, hello, let's try this. There's a learning opportunity I see. What you can do is just try to look up straight into the eyes of people while you're talking to them and stand upright. Share what they need to correct, but don't tell them that they are wrong. Okay, what they can improve. So, from the next time, whenever you're highlighting a mistake, try to highlight that it's not a mistake, it's not something which needs to be corrected. It is something in which we can grow. It is something which is a growth opportunity, learning opportunity. I hope you loved this amazing vocabulary. Start using it and let me know in the comment section whether you loved it.